Hello everyone, this is my shotgun. It's an H&R 20 gauge partner palm protector. Now I'm gonna do field stripping, blindfolded, and reassemble it. Alright, let's start. And before I deassemble it, I must be sure that it's unloaded and the safety is on. Yeah, the safety is on. It's unloaded. Let me take off the sling first. The magazine cap. Here, then the barrel, and this is the forend. Can take it out along with the bolt assembly. I'm gonna put it here. Now the trigger assembly. Where's that tool? Okay, it's here. This is a punch. I'm gonna push the pins out. This is pretty hard. Well, I don't know if I can find it. Just here, maybe. The other pin. Oh, the wrong hole. I know what you're thinking. Alright, finished. Alright, field stripping finished. Now I'm gonna put everything back. Alright, before I forget the locations, let me put this trigger assembly back into the receiver. Where's the pin? This is the small one. This is the large one. The large one is easier. This is the trickiest part. If you don't see it, you are not sure if the holes are aligned. Right, this is it. Then this is the harder part, the smaller pin. Even with my eyes open, this pin is trouble. about the hammer. Well, assume this is the hammer. Well, this is a bit violent. Protection. I don't feel like hitting this using the forehand. But anyway, let's just do it. Yeah, it works. Sorry. Alright, now the easier part is the bolt assembly. Where's the bolt? Hey, where are you? Okay, there it is. Should be this side. Yes. Forehand, okay. Oh, okay. That is. Almost done. Barrel. Great, and the cap. And now it can be used, but I want to glue the sling back on. Where's the sling? This is the short end of that sling. It should be on the top. Make sure that is direction is right. This is my hunting license, and this is the other swivel. Oh, all right. Finished. Boom, boom, boom. All right, thanks for watching.